Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I figured I would do a little get unready with me, and I'll show you the kind of what I do when I'm getting unready. You know, let's get straight to the video. So I'm just gonna put my hair up to start this process. And I'm just gonna put like a hairband. I've always used makeup remover wipes to take off my makeup. I've been wanting to try this like makeup melting balm. So hopefully I like how it works. This one is from Green Clean. So yes, I've never even opened it. I don't know how it works. So we're gonna try this out. Smells minty. Let me take this off. Let's start. So it says gently massage onto skin for makeup removal. Apply to closed eyes and face. Rinse with warm water or wipe off with a damp washcloth. I'm guessing just, you know, all over the face. Like I said, I usually use makeup remover wipes, but we're gonna try this though. I'm gonna massage this into my face. I should take my lashes off first, right? Yeah, that would probably be the best thing to do. I forgot I had lashes on. I never wear strips. I look so different without lashes. All right, so we're just gonna. Oh my God, it's really like melting my makeup. This looks gross. This really looks gross. Honestly, this might be the fastest way to like take makeup off. All right, so that was really like crazy. I never expected a melting balm to actually melt my whole entire makeup off. Like I took my makeup off in like 2.5, just crazy. That might be my new thing, okay? So moving on to actually cleaning my face. I've been using this facial cleanser from MixEasy, and I really love this facial cleanser. This formula was made especially for me. I custom made it on their website. I got to pick exactly what I wanted to trigger, which is why I love this company. And I will put a coupon code here so you can get your own. They also have face masks and shampoos and things you can use uniquely made for yourself. So this is like one of my holy grails of skincare. The way that I use this is I put it on my, I can't even talk today. I put it on my spin brush. These two like really go hand in hand. This brush really gets into my pores and really cleans everything out. And this just puts a bow on it. Like this just puts all the ingredients into my pores and into my face and make sure that I don't get no breakouts. I don't, like, it's just, it's just amazing. I love it. So what I usually do is I damp the spin brush. And I kind of work it through. And then with the spin brush, I just wash my face. And look at that. Look at that makeup residue that the cleansing balm did not take off. Like, look at that. Okay, now that I've cleaned the brush, it's time to wash this off. Okay, so now that I have cleaned my face, I'm going to use the MixEasy face mask. And like I said, this is also made uniquely for me. So I don't put on a mask every night. I usually do it like twice a week, but I'm going to show you how I would use this mask. So I have a Real Techniques prep brush that I use to put on all my masks. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to do a light coat of this all over my face. I try not to dip the brush back in because I don't want to like contaminate what's in here because everything obviously is clean. So I try to just take as much as I can and do a light coat. So I'm gonna leave this in for about 15 minutes or so, let it soak up into my skin. All right, so now that you look a little bit like a glazed donut, that means that the mask has absorbed into your skin. Now I'm gonna take it off. All right, now that we've taken the mask off, I'm gonna grab my witch hazel. This is another one of like my holy grails. And I'm gonna take another makeup sponge and I'm just gonna wet the sponge, like really soak it up. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. I really swear by this, like witch hazel really has changed my skin for the better. Like I think this was one of the things that I was missing in my skincare routine because this really works. So now that the hazel witch has dried, I'm gonna take this Ambi cream, and this is a fade cream, so it just helps remove like scars, any dark spots or any acne spots that you have in your face. This has definitely worked because I used to have a lot of acne scars like around here, like back in the day when I didn't know how to take care of my skin, and this really helped. I got mine from Amazon. I haven't seen it in any local pharmacies, but you can definitely check, or Amazon will definitely get this to you. So I take the tiniest amount of the cream, I rub it on my fingers, and I just apply it everywhere, including my neck. Now my very last step is this sleeping mask from the Glow recipe. I love this thing. I leave this overnight because it's a sleeping mask, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin is so beautiful and rosy and it smells amazing. You can tell I've used it a couple of times. I take my little mask brush and I apply a thin layer all over my face, like a really thin layer everywhere. I have to put my glasses back on because I couldn't see, but I hope you guys enjoyed this get unready with me. I hope you guys try out the facial cleanser from MixEasy. I will leave a code right here. Off to bed, well, off to watch some Netflix, some Grey's Anatomy, and then off to bed like in a few hours. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.